Hello, my friends. I'm very excited to share these items with you today. One of them is actually an idea that one of my design team members, Melissa, brought to me, and I said, oh my goodness, I have to do that ASAP. So let's show you that one first. It is called the folded corner card die. It's an A2 card base, but what it does, and let's just grab a sample because it's so much fun, is it folds this little corner off to the side so you can add a little something something there. Now, you can do it on the front. You can do it vertical or horizontal, but see how it just adds that little extra folded corner, which is so fun. And yes, of course, you could do this by yourself. You could do that, but we've also included the layering dies that go on that fold, so it makes it so easy. Now, the inside dies are so much fun too. You're a wonderful friend. Thank you, my friend. We got some butterflies in there. You're gonna love this one. So let me share all my samples with you. But first, let's talk about the other items. We have this card front, and when you hear the words card front at Stamps of Life, I want you to realize that that means that when you die cut it, it's all one piece. Look at that. You're the sweetest. All of those one piece. You're not worried about adding in the little inside of the E or adding the little inside of the O. It is all one piece, which is so easy because it makes life so much more fun. And those cute flowers, aren't they adorable? And I have lots of fun samples to share with you on that. Lastly, I know if you're anything like me, we give a lot of gift cards because a lot of the younger generations only want gift cards from us nowadays, right? Well, we came out with this fun gift card box. And let me just tell you, it is awesome. Now, it comes with extra little flowers. It comes with the words gift for you. It has a fun little layering die back here. All these fun flowers with extra leaves. Now, let me show you what this looks like. Yes, of course, it fits a gift card. Look how cute it is. It's a box. It's an actual 3D box. You're going to give it to someone. They're going to open it up, and that gift card is going to be on the inside. But there's so many more different ways you can do with this. So, for example, if you use it this way, you can open it like that. You could also open it. Who did it this? I don't know who did this one. Doesn't say. But you can also open it from this top, so it opens like this. Just don't glue it on this one flap. Then you can open it like that, have some candy in there, have your gift card in there. How sweet is that? Gift for you with those fun flowers that are included. Love that. Here's another one. Oh, with our ruffled flower that everybody went nuts for. We absolutely love that ruffled flower. Isn't that beautiful? But look at how cute that is. I love that. Now let's jump in and look at, I have more samples, but let's jump in and look at all of our folded corners. So I just showed you this one a second ago. So cute. Here's that other one I just showed you. I love it. Now let's look at some more. Here's a fun pelican one. Look how cute that is. You leave it, open it up, and it just adds personality. It's not just an A2 rectangle card. It just adds some personality. Yes, you get those butterflies in the set, which is so fun. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. You're a wonderful friend. Love it. Ooh, here's one with a lemonade stand on it, my friend. Ooh, here's a simple one. Thank you, my friend. But it just adds something different, right? It has that little layer that just adds a little something different. I like that because it's not expected. It's something unexpected, and that makes it even more fun. Now let's look at more of the You're the Sweetest. So here we go. You can even use some of our family forever words. Look at that. You're the sweetest grandma. Look at this one. You could use a different edge and slimline borders edge and cut off the flowers and just use that as well. So many different ways to use this. Ooh, or put some hologram paper behind it. You know that rocks my world whenever I see that. I love that. Here's another one using, oh, look at that, using the dies themselves, not the outside of the dies, the inside of the dies. So cute and so simple. Now let's look at a couple more of those gift card boxes. Look how cute that is. Have a possum birthday, open that up. Ooh, there's a gift card surprise in there. Gift for you. Hope all your wishes come true. Love it. Here's another one. Happy birthday. Open that up. You get your little surprise. So much fun. Oh, this one opens on the top. You can open the whole. Let's look at this. Let's open this up. Open this up and it opens like that. So if you don't put glue on the edges, you can make it open any which way you want. Club members, you know the rule. The first 24 hours, these items are on the website. They're on flash sale. If you're a club member, you're also getting the club discount. So go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com, and get these items while they're on flash sale, because you know what? 24 hours or until sold out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.